how China is building the future faster than anyone. Imagine a country that builds skyscrapers in a weekend, launches more rockets than any nation on Earth, and constructs entire cities before most countries finish planning a bridge. This isn't science fiction. This is China, and right now, they're building the future faster than anyone. If there's one thing China has mastered, it's scale. Scale builds speed. Speed builds dominance. High-speed rail. China didn't just join the race, they became the race. Over 26,000 miles of high-speed track, the world's fastest trains, and construction times that make the rest of the world look frozen in slow motion. When the US debates for a decade about one rail line, China builds the equivalent of Europe's entire network in a few years. Welcome to the era of the Chinese megacity. Shenzhen, transformed from a fishing village into a 17 million person tech powerhouse in just 40 years. Xiong'an, a brand new, AI-optimized city designed from scratch. China isn't just expanding cities. They're designing fully integrated ecosystems where transportation, housing, logistics, water systems, and energy grids all talk to each other in real time. This is infrastructure as a living organism. China's secret weapon isn't concrete or steel. It's iteration speed. In AI, robotics, battery engineering, and renewable energy, China's strategy is simple. Build fast, test fast, fail fast, improve fast. Take electric vehicles. China now produces more EVs than the rest of the world combined. Factories powered by AI, robots, and real-time data can reconfigure entire production lines overnight. And in renewable energy, China builds more solar and wind capacity every year than the United States has in total. The future isn't just arriving in China. It's rolling off the assembly line at maximum speed. Bridges, dams, tunnels, ports. If it can be engineered, China is building it. Consider this. 9 of the world's 10 busiest shipping ports? In China. The world's largest hydroelectric dam? China. Some of the longest bridges humanity has ever constructed? China. And the most astonishing part? It's not just the size. It's the speed of deployment. 3D, printed bridges, modular skyscrapers, and robotic construction teams are becoming the new normal. Where other nations see obstacles, China sees a construction schedule. So how does China build the future at a pace no one can match? 3 reasons. 1. Centralized long-term planning. China creates 10-, 20-, even 50-year national development strategies. Most countries can't plan beyond the next election cycle. 2. Massive workforce plus industrial capacity. Factories, engineers, and supply chains all operate at unparalleled scale. 3. The try it and see development model. Pilot a new tech or policy in one city. If it works, roll it out to 100 more. Instant acceleration. This combination creates something rare. A nation capable of upgrading itself in real time. But the speed doesn't stop at China's borders. Through projects like the Belt and Road Initiative, China is exporting infrastructure, energy systems, railways, and digital networks to over 60 countries. They're not just building China's future, they're building the world's. The question isn't whether China will influence the next century. It's how much. Love it or fear it, one thing is undeniable. China has turned development into a superpower, technology into an engine, and speed into a weapon. The future might be unpredictable, but if you want to see it being built, you don't need a time machine. You just need to look east. China isn't just building infrastructure. It's building momentum, whether admired or criticized. Its speed is rewriting the global balance of power. The question isn't, can anyone catch up? The real question is, what happens when the future arrives faster than the world is ready for? If you want more deep dives into the forces reshaping our world, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload.